So to begin with, I'm going to open up a software instrument and I'm going to select the retro synth. Press create. Then I'm going to just record a very basic chord using the keyboard. So I'm going to press Command K, and here's a basic chord. So I'm now going to record that in. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is get rid of this keyboard, and if your inspector isn't opened up, you can open it up with this icon here. And then there is the retro synth, which is the software instrument we're using. Above that are MIDI effects, and below it are audio effects. An arpeggiator is a MIDI effect. So I'm going to click here and select Arpeggiator. And what that will do is it will play the notes but in a different order, a broken chord. So if I press play now, there we are. We can see straight away it's given the notes a different order to my block chord. You can go into factory defaults and select a huge range of them. So let's just pick one at random here. So Groovy Cycle 10. Don't really know if that's grooving me. Let's try Classic Cycle 01. Again, not that much better, but you get